So we came from this side, and the people from the Sankri, they came from that side. We'll go somewhere there.
How are you feeling?
If I will complete the summit, that will be a big win for me. Got AMS, severe headache and vomiting. This time we are heading towards a very famous and very popular track, that is Kedarkantha track. It's a very busy track, so instead of the usual track which is full of the tourists and the tracker, we have decided we will go to Kedarkantha but with a different route.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans.
My first stop in the journey is Dehradhun. I was in my hometown, so I came by the bus here. I get down on the ISBT. It's 7 a.m. in the morning and we are waiting for our taxi. From our taxi we will go further, not the Sankri, which is the usual base village this track, but we will go to some other village. We are in our taxi. We are waiting for our one of the tracker. He is Shubham. He is joining from Kolkata, and Vaibhav, he is supposed to come from Rishikesh, but his bus broke down, so we are waiting for him to come. He is supposed to come by 8. Let's see how more we need to wait. So Vaibhav is here from Rishikesh. We are starting from Dehradun. Instead of Mussoorie, we are going from Vikasnagar towards the Gaichwan village. There's the IMA, Indian Military Academy.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within.
So we are at this Yamuna pool. We stop for our breakfast. We'll have some breakfast. Then we will move forward to Parola. This is Yamuna river. I can't even believe this is the same river I see every time in Delhi. Followed Yamunotri highway till Nagaon and we enter in a very beautiful valley, Parola. So we are in Gaichwan गाँव and it's 7 p.m. It's quite late. We have Indrajit, who is our track leader.
Hello everyone, my name is Indrajit. 6 सालों से मैं आउटडोर लीडरशिप कर रहा हूँ, तो काफ़ी कंपनीज के साथ भी काम किया है. तो अभी रिसेंटली आई स्टार्टेड ऑन माय ओन. काफ़ी दिनों बाद बड़े छोटे ग्रुप मिले, तो इसमें मज़ा आने वाला है. So let's see. Hopefully we have chose this route which is starting from Gaichwan, not Sankri. Like don't get me wrong, वो रूट भी बहुत सुंदर है, बट ड्यू टू पॉपुलैरिटी वो ट्रेल काफ़ी भीड़ हो चुकी है. बट वी आर ट्राइंग दिस ऑफ बीट रूट, ताकि ट्रैकर्स को थोड़ा अलग सा एक्सपीरियंस हो, थोड़ा सा जो ट्रैकिंग वाला जो एसेंस हो वो थोड़ा सा बरकरार रहे.
So he is the Dashod Bhaiya. We are staying at his house and currently in his kitchen. It's very warm. We have earthen chula here. I'm excited for the food made on earthen chula. क्या क्या है दीदी? सब इसी पे बना है ना, चूल्हे पे? हाँ. ओके. ये राई की सब्जी बोली ना आपने?
राई और आलू.
राई और आलू. और ये दाल है.
ये दाल है.
ओके. उड़द की दाल है. बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट कर रहा है. ये उगाई भी इधर की हुई है क्या?
हाँ, दाल भी यहीं की है और आलू तो नहीं है यहाँ की. आलू बाकी सब्जी यहीं की है.
इसलिए बहुत टेस्टी लग रहा है, मतलब घर का बना हुआ, घर का उगा हुआ. दिस इज द होम स्टे वेयर वी आर स्टेइंग. Typically Garhwali wooden home. This is my room.
I'm very tired, ready to hit the bed now. See you in morning.
Good morning, everyone. Today is day 1 and it's 7 a.m. and we will leave in some time for our next station, that is village Jalota. So this is the homestay where we are staying. It's a very beautiful village. Let me show you that.
This entire village is so peaceful and calm. If you are not coming for trekking, you can simply come and stay for the holiday.
Though there are 2 towers, one this side and another this side, but there is no signal except the BSNL. Temperature is very low. I can't feel my finger, but we need to get ready to start our trek. These all are apple stapling.
This is not apple season, but let me show you some apple.
Hello Ishani. No hello. थोड़ा पोज देंगे आप? We are starting our trek from Gaichwan village. We are going to Jalota today.
हिमालय की जय, हिमालय की जय, हर हर महादेव।
Is very beautiful. We are passing through the forest, but I'm doing trekking after 6 years, so and today is day first. I'm breathing heavily. I don't know what will happen to next 3 days, but I'm all excited. Let's see how much I can push myself. Are Chandrashila Peak fall in Himachal, and the Rupin Pass start from somewhere there. This beautiful trail. We are facing here is that the sun is very hot and we are feeling sweaty while walking, but when we stop we feel very cold, so we are not able to decide whether to wear the sweaters or jacket or whether not to wear them. So we can see little patches of snow. So path is full of snow, muddy and sludge. Walking getting difficult. We are almost halfway to the village Jalota. So we are stopping here for our lunch. आलू का पुलाव.
लंच में वेज पुलाव सॉरी.
ऐसे थक हार के भूख भी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. चलिए हैंड सैनिटाइज करते हैं, खाते हैं, टूट पड़ते हैं.
अरे वाह.
लंच इन फॉरेस्ट. And finally we are here for our night stay, for our camp.
So this is the Jalota campsite at the height of 8950 feet, and we are going to pitch our tent here. that's the tent that is for Vaibhav and Shubham, and that is for me. So this is the home for today. Here is the bag. This is the mat, and we will get the sleeping bag. Let me show you the beautiful sunset from here. Along the sun, temperature is also down. I'm freezing, so I'm heading towards my tent now. Stay tuned for the next part.